Okay, hi students. Today we'll discuss some more named reactions. That is, yesterday we discussed the Cannizzaro reactions and Aldol reactions and benzoin condensation and Perkins reaction. They are very important. Now today we'll discuss one more reaction, that is Claisen Schmidt reaction. Claisen Schmidt reaction. This is simply Claisen reaction. Is also sometimes called as Claisen reaction. Claisen Schmidt reaction or Claisen reaction. Claisen Schmidt reaction. Claisen Schmidt reaction. So in this Claisen Schmidt reaction, the aldehyde, okay, now one molecule is without alpha hydrogen and other with alpha hydrogen. Okay. So here in this reaction, aldehydes, one molecule of aldehyde without alpha hydrogen, atom condensed with other molecule, other aldehyde or ketone, without alpha hydrogen, with alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of strong base in the presence of base, dilute base is called a Claisen-Schmidt reaction. So one molecule of aldehyde without alpha hydrogen and other aldehyde is with alpha hydrogen. Okay, two molecules, one is with alpha hydrogen, other is without alpha hydrogen. So example, if you see, for example I am taking benzaldehyde. Okay, taking that benzaldehyde and another molecule is this is without alpha hydrogen, atom, and another molecule is with alpha hydrogen. Okay, here writing hydrogen, this is alpha, so with alpha hydrogen, okay, without alpha hydrogen and with alpha hydrogen in the presence of base, they initially forms beta hydroxy compound. Okay, beta hydroxy compound mean it will be attacked here it will be attacked here, right? So what happened? Beta hydroxy compound, here OH will be formed and H, here CH2, C double bond OH. So this is with respect to C double bond O, this is alpha, this is beta. Beta hydroxy compound. Beta hydroxy compound. This is further upon heating loses water and forms alpha beta unsaturated compound. Here OH, alpha position HO and beta position OH loss and forms okay, this is alpha beta unsaturated unsaturated compound. This is also called aldol. Beta hydroxy compounds are called as aldols. Okay, so this is what known as cinnamaldehyde antaru. Cinnamaldehyde, the common name of this compound. The class is alpha beta, but the The name of this compound is cinnamaldehyde. Okay, this is a Claisen-Schmidt reaction. Claisen-Schmidt reaction. In the Claisen-Schmidt reaction, one molecule of aldehyde with without alpha hydrogen atom, okay na, condensed with other aldehyde లేదా ketone with alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of dilute base, okay, to give beta hydroxy compound, then followed by dehydration, it gives alpha beta unsaturated compound, is called Claisen-Schmidt reaction. Claisen-Schmidt reaction, right?